Okay, I'm shooting a Remington 700-308. My load is a 215 grain Berger, over 49 grains of reloader 17, about 600 feet per second out of a 22-inch barrel. And I'm going to try to take a couple shots at 1800 yards. And I got the video rolling, so hopefully the video will pick up some splashes that I may or may not be able to see through the 12 power scope. So let me get on the rifle and we'll see what we can do. I didn't see anything on that one. Try another one. That was a good hit. It looked like about 12 o'clock right on the target. I got 22.8 mils of elevation, and at the moment I'm not holding any wind.